Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp, JavaScript algorithms and data structure certification. This is lesson 5 here on the Regex section. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be starting off with matching all non-numbers. Let's go ahead and look at this. So the shortcut is to look for a non-digit with this \d, right? And use the shorthand character for non-digits to count how many digits, right? And I think, did we already do this one? I guess we already did this one. Sorry about that. Just put that in there. And D, G, I. There we go, cool. So I guess it had me like one behind strict possible usernames. So change the Regex user check to fit the constraints listed above. So what we want to do here is only numbers in the username have to be at the end. Okay. So usernames can be lettercase or lowercase. So case insensitive. Names have to be at least 2 characters long. And then I'm not actually sure about that last one, so let's see. So this is saying characters at the end, right? Must be lowercase. We had that one right. 2 characters long, so we have this 2, right? Huh, okay, cool. So that's one that I did have to look up, but not the end of the world. So let's sort of look at this again. This is saying at the start must be at the end, right? This is saying A through Z can't be at the beginning. This is saying must be at least 2 long. So in this case, right, if we just took off this would be 2, right? Or no more than, all right, let's see. We just match J, should not match 7. Cool. So let me take that off and add back the comma. So at least 2 characters long. Cool. Number 2, match white space. What we're going to do is just use this, which is this is the space. So we're just going to change this out, and we just rip that out of there. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 3, match non-white space characters. So this is non-white space. So let me grab that non-white space. Go ahead and run that. Number 4, specify upper and lower number of matches. So to match only the letter A appearing between 3 and 5. So this is the lower bounds, this is the upper bounds. And the string all your regex would be A through 5H. Cool. So we want to do 3 to 6. Let's just write this out manually to get some practice. A, open up right here, braces, and then, or sorry, brackets. I don't know why I always say those incorrectly. So brackets, and then we're going to have 3 to 6, and then what we're looking for is the letters H. And let's go ahead and run that. And I think we need to have what we need. Let's see. Here we go. I think we need H right here. Let's see, what did I do wrong? Let's look. And then OH. Let's see. Oh, right, we want to match. Oh, no. Okay, so S. Yeah, again. Cool. Finally, specify only the lower number of matches. So what we can do here is do, it's the hard rejection to match the word huzzah. Okay. Only when it has 4 more letters. So here we'll change this out. Here we want to match huzzah. Let's see. And then sensitive. Let's just look. Because, oh, HA needs to go at the end, 4 to 30. No, do we need the 4 to 30? Let me see. Cool. I wonder if it works though without having the 30. I guess because that's the length of it. Yeah, so I don't think we need that. But let me see. Let me see if we just do 4. So yeah, we need 4, like greater than, and then let's go and run that. So yeah, we need that at the top, at the beginning. So that's it, guys, for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Next up, we'll be finishing off one last video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we'll be moving on to debugging. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video again. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Go check out the links in the description for course on React JavaScript. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.